Hi everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and I'm very excited to get started with this 5-day free challenge. One of my favorite things to do is be in the kitchen. And it wasn't always like that. I didn't always know how to cook and I've gotten better and I'm still not the best cook, but I like trying new things. So for me to get to share new recipes and, how I do some things is exciting for me. It's one of, the things I enjoy doing is sharing what I've tried, what I've liked, what works for me and what hasn't. So I'm really excited for these next couple days. So, as you've probably seen, there are some things in the file section of this group. There is shopping list, a meal plan, some alternatives, things like that. So take a look. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post in the group, send me a personal message, whatever. Um, so I would advise you to get started with those. And just this is a time to also have fun with it. Try new things. What I want you to do is listen to your body. Even keep a food journal during this next couple days. Write down, what you're having, how you're feeling, if you have energy, if you don't, things like that. I love food journals because looking back over them, you can really learn a lot about your eating habits, your body, things like that. So the meal plan is, 3 meals and 2 snacks. If you're really not hungry that day or you're not feeling it, for some reason you're full still from lunch, you don't have to eat it. It's just a suggestion. So, what I really want you to learn how to do is really listen to your body. Your body is right 99% of the time. So, if you listen to it, it'll tell you what it needs. So, that's one point I want you to remember. Also, we all have different activity levels. Are you working out? Are you not? Do you set a desk job? Are you working all day? Things like that will also determine how hungry you are. So don't force yourself to eat if you're not hungry, you know, if you aren't that active. If you're more active, you're going to need more food. So, another thing to keep in mind. Um, so if you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to ask me because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help. And, this is also here to have fun. There are going to be different prizes along the way, different things you can do. So I'm excited to get started. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you soon.